if a person is undergoing a COVID infection, what are the things that they should be keeping in mind, or what are the prime nutrients that they should be focusing on right now for a faster recovery. Okay, so firstly, in this infection, what is most important is to take care of your immunity, right? Because immunity is the only thing, is the only possible source which is going to fight this infection for you. So अगर आप अपनी immunity पे work करेंगे, आप इस infection को better तरीके से fight कर सकते हैं, and you can come out of it in a healthier way and not get into any complication. So few foods or supplements which you should be adding in your diet, apart from what you were always and already consuming, are number one, vitamin C. So you have heard that vitamin C helps in fighting infections. It is anti-inflammatory. It is important for making antibodies in the body. So vitamin C is very important right now for us. So vitamin C is available in many foods. You can include foods like oranges, tomatoes, bell peppers, even melons. All this is rich in vitamin C, strawberries, kiwis. So please put more vitamin C in your diet. Add lemon to your meals. All this will enhance the vitamin C in the diet. Apart from this, right now, you need extra supplementation as well. So 1000 mg of vitamin C twice a day will help to boost your immunity, that extra bit which is needed right now. So if you have a COVID infection, try to boost your vitamin C levels. A supplementation is a very good idea. You know what happens is at this time, people are very low on their appetite as well. So even if I tell them to eat 10 different things, wo ho nahi raha hai. They are not able to eat that much food. They have nausea, they have, all kinds of vomiting sensation, and they don't just feel like eating. So supplements do come into picture right now. A supplement will make sure that they do not have any kind of a deficiency. At the same time, jo extra unko is samay nutrient ki zarurat hai, wo supplement form mein they can easily take. So it is important to take these supplements. Number two, which I would like to say, is zinc. It's important for them to boost their zinc levels in the diet. Zinc, again, is going to work as an antioxidant. It is going to help them in building their immunity. So at least a 50 mg of zinc tablet a day would again help them boost their immunity. Thirdly, they should concentrate on taking curcumin. So curcumin is an ingredient which is found in haldi. So kachi haldi is a very good option to start with. You are also getting curcumin tablets right now. So you can take a good amount of curcumin. A simple tip which I would like to add here is that add black pepper to your curcumin. So आप अगर हल्दी ले रहे हैं, उसमें थोड़ा सा काली मिर्च भी डालिए, because that increases the absorption of curcumin in the body. So that is one more thing which I would want the viewers to start. Then vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a very important role in building your immunity. And we have been deficient on vitamin D since forever, but now the times are such that we are indoors and we don't even get the sun exposure, because the vitamin D is only obtained from sun. So sun exposure bhi nahi ho raha. We are all indoors, and including our children. So it's important for our kids also to be given a vitamin D supplement at this time. So you can consider taking a 60,000 IU of vitamin D at least once a week. Minimum is once a week. You can also take it twice a week if you are having a COVID, if you are fighting with COVID right now, and continue this for at least 4 weeks to 6 weeks. Then in your food, you can also add probiotics. So probiotics do play a very important role in immunity building and also in your gut health. So probiotics really, so you can add curd, you can add kefir, you can add sauerkraut, or you can add something like simple fermented pickles ghar mein. So, I'll give you a simple recipe or a simple tip here. So just add ginger. Adrak is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant properties. So adrak ko aap neembu ke andar dip kariye and add little bit of kala namak to it, rock salt, and you can add some chilies, green chilies. Make this pickle at home. आप इसमें कच्ची हल्दी भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, because again उसका इसके साथ जो combination है, that is very good. Add a little bit of black pepper to it. This little pickle will become like an immunity booster for you at this time. So add it in all your meals, and people who are facing nausea at this time will also be benefited from this particular pickle, because it has the right amount of vitamin C, it has the right amount of ginger, and you also are getting your haldi, so आपको अलग अलग करके नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, in a pickle form. And you know, when the food becomes tasteless because you have loss of taste and smell, this will
Correct.
also add little bit of flavor to your food.
Okay.
So it's a good addition to your meals on a regular basis. And last but not the least, hydration. Keep yourself hydrated, drink a lot of water, take lots of fluids. Nariyal pani is an excellent source of electrolytes. So because of fever for, you know, maybe 7 days or 10 days, you might be facing a lot of weakness and a lot of fluid imbalance. So a nariyal pani is a good option. Lemon water is a good option. Keep yourself hydrated. The only source of vitamin D when it comes to food, because you get vitamin D from only sun, and here we were talking about vitamin D for increasing the immunity. So mushrooms are in limelight because of their vitamin D content, and it totally depends on the mushroom cultivating also. So if the mushroom you're consuming was in sunlight while it was being grown, the vitamin D levels would be good in that. So mushroom is a very good option to be consumed right now.
हेल्थ, फिटनेस और पोषण पर पाए बेस्ट डॉक्टर्स की राय सिर्फ famhealth.in पर, और हमारी YouTube पेज माय फैम हेल्थ पर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।